Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back in the music lab, people. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, guys, you see what we are doing today. But before we jump in the video, guys, you don't know, I have to check in with my Madam Mafia family, man. We gotta make sure say everybody good. Yeah, so I just want to tell you something. How y'all doing today, man? Y'all staying prayed up? You know what I'm saying? Y'all staying on your goals. Y'all been drinking your water. You've been staying on your purpose. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you drop in the comment section. Let me know one thing you did today or this week that took you closer to your goals and closer to your purpose. You know what I'm saying? And let me know you've been prayed up. You know, make sure so not stay prayed up here, out here. You know, said the world's a crazy place. I can't do that God now if you don't know. But yeah, man, people, today I come with a different vibes. Not even different vibes. This artist that's no stranger to these two artists are no stranger to the channel. We reacted to them many times before. You don't know, so we love UK music over here. You don't know we love UK music over here. So them two artists is no stranger to the channel. We reacted to them many times before, and now we're going to do it again. Yeah, man. And you see what I deal with today, guys. Yeah, man. But before we even jump into that, if you're new to the channel, take the time to hit the like and subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. You already know what time it is, man. A beer vibes and energy over here, so trust me. You don't want to miss out. You want to become part of the latest reaction channel on YouTube. Beer vibes over here, so the family lit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, guys, you see what we are dealing with today. We got Central C and Dave, you know, and they want to entitled Sprinter. Central C we reacted to many times before. Also, Dave reacted to many times before. Both are very big UK artists and great artists overall. You know what I'm saying? So I'm glad to see they collabing, man. You know what I'm saying? And they dropped a new tune yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I should have got it done yesterday, but I didn't get around to it, so I'm doing it today. Yeah, man. So we're going to check it out today. This is Central C and Dave, two of the biggest UK artists out right now. In my opinion, Central C definitely is very big, and Dave is definitely very big. So I'm not, maybe misquote when I say two of the biggest, but yeah, man, they're doing their thing, definitely, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited for the collab here. You know, Central C is more usually known for his more upbeat type music, while Dave is a little more relaxed, more, you know, well thought out. But yeah, man, I'll check it out and see what I'm gonna deal with today. So yeah, before we move, don't hold the vibe much longer. Let's jump right in and try this. Is Central C and Dave Sprinter. Let's get it.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick but she wanna get Finnegan, drinking apple cider vinegar.
Man said, hey, man, they ain't got no thing there. I rent hotel smoking cigarettes. She used to be thick but she wanna get thin again. Yo, hold on. Man, I like how this start off. You start off sudden as hell, dog. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Banga, we saying, come in.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick but she wanna get Finnegan, drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skim cause she wanna be Kim in them. Alright, I know they are.
The man them inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarettes. She used to be thick but you know, say mix the thing there with the Finnegan. She used to be thick but she wanna get thin again. I drink blood clean what? Vinegar and what? These girls out here, bro, these girls out here, they got these girls' minds so messed up, bro. They doing anything to get thick and thin, bro, like crazy.
Bad, stop acting innocent. We ain't got generational wealth. It's only a year that I've had these millions. My whip could have been in a Tokyo drift car, fast and furious. I went from the
man say, yo, I ain't got no generational wealth. I only be rich for a year. Be careful so fast. It could have been a Fast and Furious. It could have been a Tokyo drift. Guy Fast and Furious.
Toyota Yaris to Europe.
That's ain't got that new money. You see me?
First they had their chance but blew it. Now this gal want me and her uterus. Fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life.
This gal want me in her uterus. Fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it. Man, I say, yeah, I'm rich, you know. You know, I'm good. You know, if I breed, me can probably take care of it. So, you know, let's do this.
For squinting, can't just
and give no F's, boy.
Stare. We're bae through thick and thin. She already fixed, so I'm halfway there.
Well, I'm gonna put up Dave's part, bro. You feel me? Cause Dave just looking so slick.
let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life for squinting, can't just stare. We're bae through thick and thin, she already fixed, so I'm halfway there.
Man said, take a look at my diamonds. That's a life of squinting, cause you can't stare. That's some bright ass diamonds, my nigga.
Brown and bad, could've changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV. No.
100 meters, I just put my gal in a sprinter. 100 eaters, they all fit in a SUV. This nigga got a busload of gal, bro. That's how you call it sprinter. You know the vans that be delivering packages for Amazon? Yeah, with the Mercedes sign on, that's a sprinter van, nigga. And when I try to say, yo, him got a sprinter full of gal, okay.
SOS, somebody rescue me, I got too many, I got, they could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright, let's send the address through, please.
SUV, the outside white, the inside brown like Michael Jack. More time man, Bella line and trap.
Answer outside white, inside inside black like Michael Jack. Yo.
Spend like I don't even like my stack. Pistol came on an Irish ferry, let go and it sound like a tap dance. The way that I bought, no yellow, the ref have to give me a black card. Who did what we're doing?
Man said the way that I boom.
No yellow, the ref have to give me a black card. Who did what we're doing with
when boom, you know, no yellow, a black cat, them have to give
rap? Man couldn't sell out his show after all them years of doing it.
Basically, we say when music out here booming. You know what I'm saying? A yellow is a black cat, them have to give him that making money. You know what I'm saying?
Cat, sprinter, 2 gal in a van, in 2 man in Milan, heard one of my things dating. P Diddy need 20% or whatever she bags. Outside, my head in my hands.
Man say I have a thing when you say I date P Diddy. You want 20% of that. You see me, you know vex. You just want 20% of it.
I told her my name is Sen, she said no, the one on your birth certificate. Your boyfriend ran from a diamond test cause they weren't legitimate. She took.
Damn, that's a shame, my nigga.
I told her my name is Sen, she said no, the one on your birth certificate. Your boyfriend ran from a diamond test cause they weren't legitimate.
He said my name, man said, yo, I said my name is Sen. She said no, the one for your birth certificate. Man say, yo, your boyfriend run from the diamond test because they weren't legitimate.
She Turkish Cypriot, but her car's Brazilian. I want her, my bro wants her affiliate. I'm cheap, still hit a chick like, yo, can I borrow your Netflix? She a feminist, she think I'm sexist. Twisting my words, I think she dyslexic. Give me my.
That's bad. Man say, yo, me rich, but me cheap. Me call a girl up like, yeah, what's your password for your Netflix? She toxic. I always twist my word up, but think she dyslexic. You get it? Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's fire.
Think I'm sexist, twisting my words. I think she dyslexic. Give me my space, I'm intergalactic. Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amex.
Alright. Man, you essentially say, what you do? Man say before me give me Insta IG password, me give the password to my Amex. My American exchange. Do you serious that way out there hide my youth?
This ain't stainless steel, it's platinum. Dinner table, I got manners. T-shirt tucked in, napkin. Still loading, that's the caption. I've only amounted a minimal fraction. Eat good, I got indigestion. Bare snow in my hood, no aspirin. Can't get rid of my pain with aspirin. Dave just came in at Aston, I'm making that Maybach music.
Dave just come with that Aston, I'm making that Maybach music.
They're trying to insult my intelligence. Sometimes I may act.
I get it, cause Rick Ross made Aston Martin music as well as Maybach music. You get it?
Stupid. I never went uni, I've been on a campus selling cocaine to students. If bro let the drumstick beat, then something gon' leak. We ain't playing exclusives.
Man say, bro, if bro let that drumstick beat, something leaking, cause we ain't playing exclusive over here, nigga.
Look at these diamonds, wrong as a life for squinting, can't just stare. We're bae through thick and thin, she already fixed, so I'm halfway.
That's one of the hardest lines, bro. The man say, yo, look for my diamonds. That's a life of squinting. I can't even steer.
Wrong as a life for squinting, can't just stare. We're bae through thick and thin, she already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown and bad, could've changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV. No. SOS, somebody rescue me, I got two.
SOS, somebody rescue me. Man have 100 eat and I van that. I don't hear that.
Too many girl I got. They could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright. That send the address through, please.
Fire for a wife beater, can't rock with that. I ain't wearing a vest. Man have to.
Come on.
A wife beater, can't rock with that. I ain't wearing.
Man say fire for your wife beater. I ain't rock with that. I ain't wearing a vest.
In a vest, man have to send her therapy. She got an E-cup bra, a lot on her chest. I mean,
the man say me have to send her to do therapy. She have a she have a E-cup breath. Man say me have to send her for therapy. She got an E-cup bra. She got a lot on her chest.
Jamaica, Orica best. Hit a lick when cash converters that don't work is porno chess. I'm doing more and talking less. I love chilling with broke bitches, man. But one flight and they're all impressed. I'm in the G63. The car hugged me like a friend.
Yo, do you hear that? Yo, he came for a lot of y'all, Nick. All you guys are like getting flown out. Y'all broke. The man just said, man say I love chilling with broke bitches. Book one flight and they're all impressed.
Man living for Nyash and dying for Nyash is fuck. Don't know which one's worse, I'm fucked. Bags in his and hers, what's hers is hers, what's mine is too. Heard that girl was a gold digger.
Bags from his and hers, what hers is hers, and what hers is mine too. I'm doing it.
It can't be true if she dated you. AP baby blue, papers pink, I probably hate me too. You ever spent 6 figures?
Damn, man. AP baby blue. Come on, man, say I probably hate me too, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
And stared at Baylor, look what you made me do. Yeah. Started with a queue, didn't wait in line. Weird, I'm asking my Blasian one, why you so focused on your Asian side? I know that the Jack boys pray that they get to the clubs and Dave's inside.
These two niggas, bro. Dave and SHC, bro. I been tell y'all, bro. These two niggas dope as hell, boy. I've been telling y'all, man, they're gonna be two of the largest. You know what I'm saying? Two of the largest UK rappers, bro, and artists, bro. And they are, man. Dave reacted to that nigga like, yeah, this very song Starlight reacted to him a few months ago, and it was lit. So, yeah, man, people that was Central C and Dave, yeah, man, Sprinter. Yeah, we're gonna definitely. That was dope. We're definitely gonna. Let me know what you think about that one. You know what I'm saying? And let me know when you react to next time. I definitely get it done. You know, that was lit. Drop your comments, all that stuff. You're going to see your comments. But you don't know. Boy, Jambisco. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.